Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here I have with me a herb called rosemary, and I'm going to prepare some rosemary tea. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you have this rosemary herb in your country, or do you call it another name from rosemary. Look at it, guys. This is what it looks like, the rosemary herb here, and it is very excellent for our body. Yes, helps to relieve stress and anxiety. So these are some of the benefits that we get from the rosemary herb tea. Yes, guys, if you having pain and inflammation, the rosemary tea here relieve the pain and inflammation in your body, reduce it. Yes, guys, it also enhance memories. Yes, guys, so if you're having problem with memories, drink some rosemary tea, guys. Yes, boil the herb here and drink the tea, or cool the water and drink it, right, guys? It also helps promote hair growth. Yes, hair growth, and makes us beautiful. Yes, the rosemary herb here do wonders for our skins and our overall body. It also helps to heal any cuts or bruises that we may have. Yes, guys, this is the rosemary tea here, herb here. Very excellent for our skin and our overall body. So, guys, if you having it in your country, please use it up, guys. Yes, use it. So here, guys, I'm having the tea here boiled. Yes, the water boiled and cooling. Yes, so to drink has a water. This is what the herbs water look like. Yes, that's it there. And here I have the tea ready for me to drink. The rosemary tea, guys. Let me tell you guys, the aroma. Woo! Love the aroma, guys. Love it. So, guys, please do shop around in your market area and look for this rosemary herb here. And you boil it the same. Drink it as a tea, or you may drink it as the water. So to look beautiful. Yes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please, guys, subscribe, 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 and share. Thank you.